Have you ever wondered how a fragile leaf can become the cornerstone of a multi-trillion-dollar industry? Hidden behind that familiar puff of smoke lies an entire world of modern agricultural technology, where precise science and engineering shape every speck of soil. Today, we will embark on an extraordinary journey to uncover how skilled farmers cultivate, nurture, harvest, and process tobacco plants, all thanks to the most advanced technologies in agricultural engineering. This isn't just a story about a crop, it's a vibrant testament to the continuous evolution of modern agriculture, where technology and human ingenuity converge to achieve what once seemed impossible. From lush, green nurseries to the colossal production lines within factories, each stage of tobacco cultivation and processing is a perfect symphony of nature, technology, and meticulous care. Join us as we begin this journey to unveil the secrets that astonish the entire agricultural world about an industry that might seem so familiar. In the fertile lands of the American South, the tobacco planting season begins as a technological ritual, where tiny seeds are tenderly nurtured within modern greenhouse systems. Here, temperature, light, and humidity are meticulously controlled down to the millimeter by advanced agricultural engineering, creating an ideal growing environment unlike any other. Under artificial lights precisely calibrated for each photosynthetic cycle, every delicate green sprout vigorously emerges, uniformly and full of life, promising an abundant harvest. After 7 weeks of special care in the nursery, these young plants are transferred to the fields. Gigantic agricultural machines move gracefully, planting each seedling in perfectly straight rows, while smart soil sensor systems and drones hover overhead, continuously monitoring to ensure the most optimal growing environment. Beneath the ground, an automated irrigation network delivers water and nutrients precisely according to the specific needs of each area, not only maximizing plant development, but also demonstrating the sustainability of green agricultural technology. Here, farmers no longer simply work with soil, they work with a vast trove of data. They interpret information from electronic control panels, adjusting water levels, light intensity, and nutrient composition with just a few technological commands. Every tiny seed, every vibrant green row of plants is a living testament to the extraordinary power of modern agricultural technology in this new era. As the young tobacco plants take root, the American fields transform into a colossal laboratory where science and patience intertwine. From that moment, the plant's growth is ceaselessly monitored by state-of-the-art agricultural sensor systems, accurately recording every subtle change in temperature, humidity, or light intensity. This invaluable data is meticulously analyzed using agricultural engineering, allowing farmers to optimize water, nutrient, and light adjustments for each specific growth stage of the plant. Throughout the diligent 90 to 115 days of development, each tobacco leaf is nourished by a perfect balance of soil, water, and technological support. 1 month before harvest, a crucial operation is performed, removing the top portion of the plant. This redirects all nutrients to the remaining leaves, making them thicker, more aromatic, and ensuring the highest quality standards. Biological agents are also intelligently employed to maintain natural green color and effectively deter pests, reaffirming the role of green agricultural technology. Across the vast, endless fields, the gentle hum of machinery blends with the rustling of wind through the leaves. That is the sound of modern agricultural technology operating in harmony, where humans and nature together forge a perfect growth cycle. When witnessing an entire tobacco field operating seamlessly with cutting-edge technology, from smart sensor systems to relentless drone surveillance. Have you ever wondered what would happen if human intellect ceased to collaborate with the power of modern agricultural technology? Could nature alone achieve such absolute precision without our guiding hand? As the tobacco leaves reach their golden ripe maturity, the fields come alive, resembling a majestic symphony of technology. In agriculturally advanced nations like the United States, the harvesting process is executed by modern agricultural machinery systems, where every movement of the sharp cutting blades and smooth conveyor belts is programmed with absolute precision. Row after row of plants are uniformly harvested by machines, neatly bundled and swiftly transported to temporary storage areas. Each operation unfolds rapidly, efficiently, and with astonishing effectiveness, much like an industrial production line operating amidst the vast expanse of nature. According to impressive statistics from California, tobacco yields can exceed 2.1 tons per acre, a clear testament to the superior power of modern agricultural technology. The perfect synergy between automation and intelligent monitoring systems not only helps farmers save time and significantly reduce labor costs, but also ensures that product quality reaches its optimal level. In the sky, drones gracefully soar like steel birds, capturing detailed images of each area, then instantly transmitting data to a central control hub. There, skilled agricultural engineers adjust the harvesting process in real time, ensuring not a single leaf is missed or wasted. However, amidst the bustling sounds of modern machinery, the human hand still plays an irreplaceable role in the final stages. Experienced farmers meticulously inspect each bundle of leaves, evaluating color, moisture, and thickness before allowing them to be transported. This delicate combination of traditional intuition and modern technology is the true soul of agricultural engineering. Can you feel that miraculous harmony, where boundless nature, modern machinery, and human hands beat in unison during this energetic and efficient harvest season? As their journey progresses to the most crucial stage, drying. This is the ultimate determining factor for the delicate flavor, distinctive color, and superior quality of the entire final product. In vast warehouses, the leaves are meticulously hung in long strands, stacked one upon another in a space rigorously controlled for temperature and humidity. The drying system employs advanced agricultural engineering, with thermal sensors and smart monitoring devices operating ceaselessly, ensuring a stable and perfect process. Notably, at many farms in the United States, farmers steadfastly maintain traditional methods with skillful dexterity, yet creatively integrate them with modern agricultural technology. Beneath the floor, traditional wood-fired kilns still glow, creating a warm plume of smoke that diffuses a characteristic, alluring aroma. However, above, sophisticated automated sensors precisely adjust the airflow, helping the leaves dry evenly while preserving their natural golden hue. This process extends from 5 to 8 weeks, demanding not only patience and precision, but also years of accumulated experience from skilled farmers. Tobacco drying truly is a high art form, It demands a wonderful blend of passionate fire and the flow of time, between the sophistication of technology and the deep emotions of human hands. Each crisp, feathery, dry leaf carries within it the breath of the earth and the essence of green agricultural technology. It is not merely a production stage, but a culmination of ancient knowledge, boundless patience, and the intense pride of modern agriculturalists. Once the tobacco leaves are completely dry, they enter an entirely different world, where modern technology dominates every space. Inside the factory, the production line operates like a colossal machine, programmed by advanced artificial intelligence. Tons of tobacco leaves are automatically fed into a sorting system, where color sensors and high-resolution industrial cameras precisely determine the moisture content, size, and quality of each leaf. Each piece of leaf is then finely cut, uniformly mixed, and processed according to a secret formula unique to each brand, a vivid demonstration of agricultural engineering's sophistication in modern industry. The cigarette rolling machines operate relentlessly, capable of producing an astonishing 20,000 cigarettes per minute. This dizzying speed leaves onlookers awestruck, but hidden within it is absolute, error-free precision. Each cigarette must meet strict standards for firmness, length, and moisture. Laser inspection devices and high-speed cameras continuously monitor every product, ensuring that no minor flaw can pass through. The perfect combination of industrial machines and modern agricultural technology has transformed the tobacco processing procedure into a symbol of outstanding efficiency and cutting-edge engineering. Globally, over 5.7 trillion cigarettes are consumed annually. China, India, and the United States remain the three largest markets, showcasing the immense scale of this agro-industrial sector. But embedded within this is a story of people, of how intellect and technology together shape the future of global agricultural technology. In a world seemingly dominated by machines, do you sense that the soul of the farmer still lingers within each golden leaf? From a tiny seed nurtured in a nursery to billions of finished cigarettes produced annually, the journey of the tobacco plant is a vibrant testament to the extraordinary power of modern agricultural technology. This is not merely a story about cultivation. It is a journey of intellect, relentless innovation, and profound discipline. Every stage, from planting and harvesting to processing, reflects a significant leap forward in agricultural engineering, where humans have learned to work in harmony with nature rather than against it. Farmers today are no longer just caretakers of plants. They have become excellent data managers of soil, water, and light. Every time they touch a control panel, adjust an automated irrigation system, or monitor fields with drones, they are completely redefining the concept of farming in the 21st century. Agriculture is now not just the foundation of livelihood, but also a brilliant symbol of human intellect and boundless capacity for innovation. When you behold a golden, shimmering tobacco field under the blazing sun, or witness a factory production line operating with precision down to the second, always remember that it is not just a product of advanced technology, but also the result of generations of people who have tirelessly dedicated themselves to the land. If you, too, believe that agriculture is the heart of all human progress, join us in spreading this inspiring story to everyone. Please share your thoughts below. For you, what was the most impressive part of the entire miraculous journey of the tobacco plant? And do you think technology will continue to completely transform the face of agriculture in the coming decades? Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey to explore the world of modern agriculture. If you love deep stories about agricultural technology and the unsung heroes behind each harvest season, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos.